Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make everything bigger on your iPhone, from text and app icons to the overall interface, so it's easier to see and more comfortable to use. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Display Zoom. Here, choose Larger Text. This will instantly increase the size of text, icons, and many on-screen elements, giving your iPhone a cleaner and more readable layout. Tap Done in the top right corner. When the confirmation message appears, tap Use Zoomed. Your iPhone will refresh for a moment and apply the new, larger display. And that's it. Simple, quick, and easy on the eyes. Your iPhone should now be much easier to read and interact with. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical iPhone and Mac tutorials. See you in the next video.